I thought that internet connection will be available and I could show something, but as I told in my previous presentation, here we would like to present our technologies for intellectual transportation systems with more deeply discussion how we do this and what are we going to provide and what are we want to offer to you. We love to make transportation easier. Our company calls Doroga TV. Doroga means road and TV it's a historical appendix that show that we works with video cameras professionally. We can calculate the vehicles that driving in the area of video camera, and we can calculate with our partners vehicle flows based on video camera estimations. And also we can provide the services for video camera recordings for some accidents, thefts of car, etc. We got about 5 everyday requests for video camera recordings from the citizens of our city. And it's a very useful service, and I think such problems exist in Delhi too. We can mention that if you want to use video cameras in intellectual transportation system for Delhi, one of the main points for video camera installation are road crosses. About 90% of our requests for crashes of cars and car incidents comes from road crosses. It's an interesting fact. Actually, a very useful service we created with our local television station. We provide six times a day a real-time picture of current road situation. So if you or your television is interested in such solution, we can consult or we can discuss how we have done this. And also we can bring some software if it's interesting to create some television or radio station programs about traffic. In 2 cities we have a radio station partnership and a driver listen to FM radio station about traffic congestions based on our analytics. Also interesting service that I mentioned before, it's public transport online. Every user now can stand on the bus stop and using simple application he can estimate the bus arrival. Also he can make a driving directions from point A to point B, and we can calculate driving directions with current traffic jam situation. So if a user would like to find driving direction not maybe distance based by distance, but he want to override the traffic jam, we can offer him this possibility. Also, we are updating bus arrival predictions not only based on scheduling, but also we include average speed of the bus and traffic conditions before bus and bus stop where we point the arrivals. We had an experiment about accuracy of our predictions, and results are next. We can predict the bus arrival to the bus stop with accuracy of the interval of GPS data receiving. So, for example, if you receive a bus with 1 time per 1 minute, we can predict bus arrival with 1 minute accuracy. If you send a bus data, for example, 1 time per each 50 seconds, so we can predict it plus minus 50 seconds. We try to make all services mobile, and we cover all platforms for iPhone, Android, and Java applications. So most Nokia devices are well tested, and we have about 500,000 mobile applications for Java 2ME application installed, and about 50,000 applications installed for smartphones. And we can share our experience if such applications are interesting for you. So here some user base growth for mobile applications, and you see that our user base is huge enough to test all these applications on real time. So we came from public information systems, but we had requests from our partners to bring new public transport management systems with some specific features that doesn't exist in common fleet management system. I mean dispatching, I mean monitoring, public transport specifics, GIS integrated, and some specifics, for example, exact and interval-based schedules. Some cities use interval-based schedules, some cities use exact schedules, and current systems that we know in Russia doesn't offer full support, and we have requests about interval-based scheduling, and we had a special development in this direction. We provide statistics of traffic jams, schedule accuracy, vehicle flow estimations. If we use video cameras and solution of our partners for counting the vehicles, the accuracy must be very fine. If we use only traffic jams calculations, we can point for some points on the vehicle flow. For example, between first interval, second, and third. But if we use video analytics, we can show vehicle flows very highly precisely. We can bring statistics about route accuracy of driver team for their ratings and for their salaries, etc. And now even in Russia, I think in Russia now it's a trend to make information services for passengers. It's bus arrival predictions for the bus stops. It's mobile applications. It's web services. Because mainly all public transport GPS systems are built upon citizen taxes. And it's a very interesting point that all the data that build upon taxes must be maximally available to the citizens who pay those taxes. And so those services